Okay, this will be part 2 of the Breville brewing. We're going to brew a second infusion in this Russian blend here. Eric's going to help us out. We're going to brew this one as well for 1 minute and see what happens when this thing boils. So part of what we wanted to show here is how quickly the water boils. We're making a second infusion here of this tea, and how the basket lowers down. So this is our cool new Breville maker that we're going to offer online. And one of the cool things is that it has a magnetic basket that sits on a rail that automatically lowers and automatically raises here. So you can see the water is already starting to boil. It's in not even 30 seconds. And this is our second infusion. So we're just really highlighting here how the basket works. So the water hits boiling temperature, and hopefully you can see that. The basket is going down into the kettle automatically. It will steep there for 1 minute. You can see it's now just sitting in the bottom there. Sorry for the light reflection. It's a sunny day in San Francisco. It will steep for about 1 minute, and then it will automatically raise back up, which is part of the charm of this device here. It's automatic tea brewer, and it's fairly high tech, and it allows you to enjoy the tea ritual in a modern sort of way. So pretty nifty thing. We're about 40 seconds into the brew here, 30 seconds. One of the things we can talk about is how do you pick a tea that's right for you. One way is by picking a tea that's high in caffeine or low in caffeine, depending on your mood. Another way that's interesting to pick a tea is by food. What are you eating? How do you pair a green tea to your meal or a black tea? Another way is by tea type. Some people just love green tea, and there's a huge variety of green teas, so they would pick green tea. And another way would be by caffeine level. Teas that are high in caffeine level or low in caffeine level. White tea, for example, would be lower in caffeine. Herbal teas have no caffeine. Oolong and black have high caffeine. Makes picking tea easy way to find a tea that's right for you. So now, looks like the infusion is over. Check it out. The basket is coming up automatically, and you can see it there through the condensation. The infusion is stopping. Sitting on these magnetic rails, the infusing basket enters the water at the right temperature, leaves the water, and leaves you with a perfect brew, which is really cool. I'll show you here how. This is the basket, and we can then take it out if we want and add more tea or not, but we've got a perfect brew here. So that's the Breville. That's how it sits, that's how it works, and we think it's pretty awesome. So check it out online. Feel free to email us any questions or your feedback, but we look forward to sharing tea with you soon. Thanks so much. Take care.